Maggie तो सबने खाया है, but have you seen how does your noodles look like now? Not really. 5 years ago, packaging was all about flashy colors, cartoon mascot, and cheese drip. But now, brands are highlighting sugar levels on the front of the pack. Some are writing paragraph जैसे answer sheet हो. From hiding the truth to highlighting it, packaging has become one of the most honest liar in the modern marketing. So how did we get here, and how does it reveal about how your brands are hijacking your brain? This is not a design tutorial. ये है branding का psychological opinion. So welcome to Adopian, where we decode the real ad game. Buying noodles was easy when we millennials were growing up. Maggie was the goat, Sunfish Yippee was a new kid, and Top Ramen was just there. एक दिन एडवेंचरस फील हुई तो हम कुछ नया ट्राई कर लेते. बट फास्ट फॉरवर्ड टू 2025, अब ना सिर्फ ब्रांड्स बदले बट उनकी पैकेजिंग फिलोसॉफी हैव टेकन अ टोटल 180 डिग्री.
Guys, this packaging
is incredible.
Product quality, this is
Lovely.
Meet Kriti, a 26-year-old who moved to a metro city. She is scrolling Blinkit to buy noodles. She scrolled past Maggie Yippee and pauses at an unfamiliar product, Wicked Good. Why? It said no maida, high fiber and made with chickpeas flour. And Kriti is trying to eat cleaner. That's the moment of pause is the newest shelf impact. And Kriti's story is not unique and it is not about just noodles. ये है पूरे FMCG इंडस्ट्री का मेकओवर. Let's decode. Packaging used to follow one golden rule. Forms follow function. Art directors had 5 commandments. Simplicity, clarity, honesty, practicality and most importantly shelf impact. सब कुछ सामने दिखना चाहिए था. Logo, flavor, product image simple था. In the 90s, Parle-G packaging didn't need to say much. एक छोटी सी गर्ल का illustration और brown border. बस. But now, look at something like the whole truth. There is a paragraph in the front, ingredient on the sleeves, and most importantly, story of the product on the back. Brands are not selling products anymore. They are selling stories and beliefs. Brand wants to say more, show less, and mean a lot.
औरों के ख्वाबों को करने को सच्चे थोड़े से मैंने अपने हैं खर्चे.
Let's go back to Kriti. She now follows the Whole Truth Food on Instagram. Why? Because their founder comes on camera and says, no lies, just real ingredient. उनका packaging 30 plus word on the front. No chocolate drip, no fake shine, just real and raw fact. Nutritional breakdown is clearly visible on the pack. And this is radical honesty. Earlier, brand used to hide sugar content, but right now, brands are flaunting it. This product and packaging style is anti-aesthetic in traditional way, but it is super effective to build trust. Their success didn't come from discount or flavor innovation. It came from consistency in packaging-led storytelling. Every protein bar they sell is a silent conversation, and that consistency compounds in brand equity. Wicked Good का brand promise is crystal clear on their packaging. Front पे ही लिखा होता है no maida, no palm oil. They are not selling noodles, they are selling freedom from guilt. Ingredient led forward design का एक बड़ा फायदा होता है. It lets new age consumer filter by its value. Like Kriti, she is not just buying because of flavor. She is scamming for words like no sugar, no maida, and no palm oil. For that matter, Open Secret products goes even further. Their packs are borderline tech talks. काफी clutter होते हैं, but every inch of the wrapper tries to win trust. From sourcing to certification to telling how it is better than legacy snacks. अब जब product storytelling इतनी honest हो गई है, क्या shelf impact का importance चला गया? Or is it a new age of impact altogether? Earlier, packaging had to scream from the shelf. Bold color, flashy design, big logos. Because Kirana stores were very cluttered. जो सबसे ज़्यादा loud दिखता था, वही बिकता था. But online, the rule flipped. मोबाइल स्क्रीन पे एक छोटा सा थंबनेल दिखता है. क्लैरिटी, कॉन्ट्रास्ट एंड क्लेम हायरार्की, ये 3 चीजों ने मिलकर शेल्फ इम्पैक्ट का डेफिनेशन ही बदल दिया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ओपन सीक्रेट का पैक सेस 0 एडेड शुगर, रिच इन फाइबर, 10 रुपीज कैशबैक, सब एक साथ लाइक अ डिजिटल एड. अब डिजाइन भी एक मिनी बिलबोर्ड बन गया है. द डिजिटल शेल्फ इज इनफाइनाइट but the attention is very limited. So packaging has become the new clickbait. FMCG packaging is no longer just about protection or aesthetic. It's a manifesto. It reflects what your brand stands for. Key learnings for marketers. Packaging is the first product demo. Use it to build trust. Ingredient-led design taps into value, not just taste. Packaging must perform across Kirana, retail, and D2C platforms. Design should evolve based on platforms, print, shelf, and screen. The brand story shouldn't end at packaging. It should begin there. Because today's consumer don't just buy what looks good, they buy what feels them right. So next time you grab a protein bar or any snack, just take a pause, look at the pack and read the full story. क्योंकि FMCG में real story तो पैक के ऊपर लिखी होती है. If this video gave you a new perspective on packaging, then hit like, share it with your marketing gang and comments में बताओ आपको कौन सी पैकेजिंग पसंद है, neat, clean और informative. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into ads, branding and consumer psychology. तो मिलते हैं next video में.